vanoti tinokwana here.
I started doing those things around 2013 September, when I started getting interested in writing jokes. First, I attended workshops that were held by Doc Vikela and Simba the Comic King, and I started reading some good materials on comedy. But what I figured out is whenever I wrote jokes, my jokes would circulate around WhatsApp and Facebook without credits. I don't do very well. I used to be into hip hop. In hip hop, we appreciate our credits. So I decided that no, if I'm going to make my credits be seen, let me attach them to a character.
Now yandiri kutaura apa ndeyekuti ndakapinda kuma-food outlets akawanda, ana Nando's, ana Chicken Inn, ana KFC. Chikafu chavo chinonaka. Chikafu vanobika zve.
I tried making a little character. I remember sending a teddy bear-like character to a friend of mine, Tadiwa Chimboza from Zangoma. We did a project called Zangoma with her years ago. And she said, no, this looks like Seth MacFarlane's Ted, the teddy bear. So I thought, no, I don't want to look like a Me Too product. So I started working on a lot of pieces, and then I came out with this bald-headed character, whom we call Tsano. And the Tsano name, it's got a history to it as well. I got it from an old song by Action Jackson. Baba Mudikiyo Taitamba Tiri Paden Tsano. And I attached that. I like that song, by the way. So Tsano now, he's evolved over the years. I've made different designs because I've been growing my artistic skill. I'm not a natural artist. I had to train myself. Especially last year. Last year I decided, hey, I need to start doing pencil drawings. I trained myself for like 8 weeks, and then I thought, yeah, this is fair. I don't think I'm the best artist yet in terms of drawing, but I thought, okay, this is sufficient. So I had to redesign Tsano. I had to redesign a lot of cartoon characters. And in December, as I was with my friend, there's a friend of mine called Patrick, I just thought, why don't I make Tsano a bit more consistent? Let's say every Thursday from January, from the first week of January, every single Thursday, people are going to see a Tsano comic. But it's not going to be animated, because if I try to commit to animation right now, I don't yet have capacity. I might not be consistent. I might drop one and then get tired. So let me build the momentum. So what I'm doing is every Thursday I'm dropping Tsano, a Tsano comic, and I'm designing a lot. But in the background, I'm really animating a lot. I'm really learning a lot of stuff from YouTube. I'm really learning a lot of stuff from gurus, connecting with people around Africa and abroad who know animation, and getting into conversations, into live sessions and so forth, so that we can build capacity to have a project called, we haven't come up with a name, I approached King Kandoro, the comedian, Madorofia Republic. I've approached a number of artists to write for that thing. We've got Ellen Alexa, we've got Mona Lisa Tishato, we've got Brian Willis, Cashbit, everyone knows Cashbit, and a couple of other creatives like 80, Arlington Taylor, the musician, and we're trying to bring up a project that's going to be in short form first, like 12 episodes in short form, and then if we manage to execute that, we can make it longer and maybe pitch it to TV. But I get a lot of help from other animators, such as Greg Seke Animate is also an animator, among other people, and I'm working with my little brother. We are he's training in animation. His name is Knowledge. You're gonna be seeing a lot of his stuff in the near future. Yeah, so that's it.